Fidget toys at the $3.
Fidgets that are here in the dollar. I don't know what this thing is called, but it's really satisfying. What is this? Oh, Mom, I want these. I want this one. It's really weird. Look. Foam balls. Slime. Slinkies. Wait, what is this? I think that's suckers.
This is fun.
What? This? Probably for you. Oh, a nursing paper. What is this? Yeah, that's what I got from school for being the good one for the substitute teacher. What is this? Ew, that looks so gross. Patty, I love these. What is this? It's weird. Ma, I really want this.
You want it? You don't got it.
I got it. I want it. Look, Fonsy, what do you think? Oh my God. Look at his face. Well, Mommy, can I go to the other side to see if there's any more fidgets over there? Look at this monster. It feels so good. Oh, it lights up. Okay, I'm gonna go to the other side. Oh my, look, there's texture monkey noodles. There's pink and purple. I did not see those. Okay. Okay, I'm here on the other side. I like those. Don't see any more fidgets. I don't see any more fidgets, Mom. Oh, look. That's funny. Daddy wanted to buy those for Fonsy last time.
That's not a fidget.
I know, but Daddy wanted to buy it for Fonsy last time. Yeah, hey. Hey. Okay, she's eating a lollipop. Okay. Whatever. What is this? There's nothing else. Well, yeah, bye.